of recovery. Akunandaba ukugula kangakanani make salungisa into zakamoya inyama eyibuyela ngoba inyama ithwelwe ifoundation engumoya. Ikhona bazalwane ingakho umuntu olimele emoyeni ubonakalonta noma kade impofu yaduka edla yonke into emnandi. Kodwa if the spirit is broken, spirit must be mended in order for that person to regain and recover even physically, because life is spiritual. So you need to be very careful of your spiritual life, because we conquer. We are more than the conquerors when we are in our territory, and our territory is the life in the spirit. Just not go on. If we take the battle, I was a man, the Bible, and not the Bible, my life. Oh, but that's not the Bible. It is science. My research. It is yoga, it's dangerous. And it was really right. But you close with an yoga. Look at the pants, and we climb. We take up hand to cause. We make a terrain high. Then by doing so, in your no be dangerous kangakanani. Ayikwazi ukukhipha poison ingekho la ibalance ekho. Sinjalo nathi bathi basihlasela nala sibhekiswe ukuthi lithini izwi lale nebesithola kuyona. Yabasalwana asiyintathaini inkinga but sihlala endaweni yethu endaweni yakamoya sibukuthi izwi lithini ngemeko endlula kuyona. Shout hallelujah if you do believe, and some glory if you believe what I'm saying. Life in the spirit. Life in a place called the spirit. Singoba thina. Sizongoba. Masiphansi siyehulwa but make saphakama ngathi kune office ekumele ungene kulona elibizwa nge-office lendawo yakomoya naye sikhale tihlomani zonke iy'khali zenu sakamoya ukuze nikwazi kumelana namaqhinga kasathana nokungahlakanipha angeke ufike kusathana ngoba ulwazi lwakho it will never surpass. Devil grew up in the presence of